Hey, here's me with another ProcFu and tape integration tutorial. Let's say you are working with your ProcFu app on top of your tape data, and then apart from whatever ProcFu gives you by default, you'd like to go ahead and do something with the API. You can do that. ProcFu allows you to have really nice API querying options. You go to your functions, and then you can search for tape, and here are the options available at the moment. This is increasing. The first one is obviously you can query an entire app. Let's say you go to a tab and then you want to get all these details about the app. You can go to developer, get the app ID, put it back to your ProcFu, and then voila. This is the fastest way for you to query the JSON out of the app. You can see that all 5 records are coming, correct? So you've got 5 records. Now you can go a step ahead and then say I want to filter. Now there are 5, I want to get only approved, which is 1 record. So if you go to their filter API, there's documentation about how to filter the status. So you can just copy that. This is my text editor. I'm just going to put it here. And then let's go get the field ID, which is available in the developer. Copy the status. And then I'm going to put it here. Perfect. Once this is done, I'm going to remove this extra bit. And the status I want to get is approved. Perfect. And now I'm going to remove all these extra spaces so that we can format it nicely. Perfect. Now all you have to do is that copy this array and put it to your ProcFu. And here we will have, instead of 5, 1 record coming out. Invalid JSON syntax. What have I done? Okay. Yeah, here there's a comma. I forgot to remove that. I can see that. Perfect. You should have 1 item. See. Now the same thing is extremely helpful when you're building the app. Let's say normally you would have to show all your leaves, right? I'm going to go to tape. In the portal, I'm going to show all my leaves. Here, this is how you normally show your leaves. And here it will be all items. But you don't want to show all items. You want to show filter. So I'm going to save it. This is screen 5. Here you can see all 5 leaves are here. I don't want to show all 5. I want to filter it. So you can use the exact same method. All you have to do is that copy this, the filter that we created. Here, instead of all items, you can use a custom filter and put the value. Now, only 1 item will be shown. So if I save it and go back here. So this way, ProcFu makes it really easy for you to make any query. So you've got a couple of options here. You've got querying the record, you can querying the app, querying the record. Obviously, you have the CRUD, and then finally you can make any API call into ProcFu. Apart from these, you can also directly query from a list. Let's say I've got a text information, and here I would like to show some record as an example. You can go to your before process and then just say print, and then if you write tape, here's how you query it. Let's say I'm going to query an entire record. For this demo purpose, so I'm going to query this record. This is the record ID. You can bring it here and then save it. What happens is that now if you go to screen 6, it will simply print the entire record. So these are multiple ways you can interact with tape API directly from ProcFu, so that you can build on top of whatever ProcFu gives you by default. I'm going to be doing a full webinar about how to work with ProcFu and tape today. Yep. And then the link will be in the comment. You can just join in.